Hi, everybody. I just want to say up front that I think that this is the most proud that I've felt making one of these videos. To me, this is the goal and what I have been hoping that AI can be and what it will be, in my opinion, which is the complete democratization of information. Meaning that information is no longer going to be a barrier of who has access to the specific information or who has proprietary tools that are able to access the information, but the only barrier will be your ability to utilize and your technical ability to be able to build out models that can utilize the information. And so this paper called FinGPT, Open Source Financial Large Language Models, put out by Columbia University and NYU, is a very significant breakthrough in that area to me. Essentially what FinGPT is, and highlighting it, I'll start with the paper here, but they break it down very well, is that essentially Bloomberg has had and been utilizing LLM and AI technology for a while now for specifically financial forecasting and modeling. And so what FinGPT aims to do is open source completely what Bloomberg does with their LLM model, and essentially give anyone access to be able to do that. And so they break it down very specifically here within the paper, all of the financial data that you need, all of the frameworks. If you read through the paper, and I'll link both the paper and the GitHub in the description for this video, but if you read through this, they give you literally everything that you need as far as the models and models, how to train them, where to get the data from, anything that you would want with regards towards this. Very specifically, to note that this is a model for training LLMs, and that they're not specifically releasing an LLM. I'll go into it more in depth on the GitHub, but they do release models that it was trained on. So that's important to highlight. But as far as the applications, you can see that it's literally anything that you would want with regards towards finance. So robo-advisor, quant trading analysis, portfolio optimization, risk management, financial fraud detection, credit scoring, anything that essentially Bloomberg or the big institutions would utilize. That's literally what they're trying to give you here with FinGPT. And then so going over here to the GitHub, I think that it's very important. Like they very specifically outline it. We democratize internet scale data for financial large language models. And that's very specifically what they want to do. And they very specifically highlight Bloomberg GPT and all of the training and exactly what it does, and the advantage that someone or a company having direct access to this type of technology that other people don't have access to is bad. And so that's essentially why they're democratizing this entire technology. And then if you go down to the demos here on the GitHub page, they have demos for utilizing the model for both the Chinese market, and then also a Llama model for the American financial markets. Pre-trained models, you just click the link, everything that you would need right there. And then essentially the GitHub has everything else that you would need, a lot more videos as well, explaining exactly what all this is. But if you want access to Bloomberg level accounting for free, and utilizing a Llama model, and you actually want a pre-trained Llama model that has it, the information is available to you, and it's here, and it's built out very specifically to open source essentially the financial markets. I think this is incredible overall. I really can't understate the significance of this, and I hope that a lot of people get access to FinGPT and that they utilize it. If you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and please utilize FinGPT. It's amazing. Thank you very much.